O Allah, your servant Ibrahim alayhi salam, your friend Ibrahim alayhi salam, your prophet Ibrahim made dua for the people of Mecca, for barakah, and you granted him that. وَأَنَا عَبْدُكَ وَرَسُولُكَ, and I am your slave and your messenger, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. أدعوك لأهل المدينة أن تبارك لهم في مدهم وصاعهم مثلي ما باركت لأهل مكة مع البركة بركتين. The Prophet ﷺ said, I am your slave and messenger calling upon you, and I'm asking you to bless the people of Medina in their grains, in their measurements, meaning their handful, their sa'a, their mud, all of their measurements, all of their grain, all of their water. And for each blessing that you gave to Mecca, let it be doubled for the people of Medina. And you benefit from that barakah today. You go to Medina and the air is different. Everything is different about Medina. That's the barakah of the dua of your Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who based his dua on the barakah of the dua of Ibrahim alayhi salam.